Hello, in this video I will present WordPress until affiliate links plugin. The video contain installation instructions, general configuration and use of advanced features. To install plugin, go to plugins. Add new menu on search for auto affiliate links. Click install and activate the plugin. The plugin menu will be available on the bottom left sidebar of your WordPress administration panel. To add the link, you only have to add the affiliate links and the keywords where you want the link to be displayed. After the link is added, you can go to one of your posts where the keywords is present and see it in action. Now let's try another link. The link is not shown yet because the default setting of link frequency is set to very low. Let's see how we can change the settings. Go to your admin panel again and go to General Settings. Here you can change the frequency of the links to another value. As you can see, another link just appeared. Other settings that you change are linked cloaking, link display on homepage, link target relation and CSS class. An important feature is the ability to exclude certain posts from displaying affiliate links. Go to Exclude Posts menu item in WordPress administration panel and add the idea of the posts to be excluded. Another way to exclude posts is to check the exclusion box from the post editor. To a Sad Fate Pro features and let the plugin to do all the work for you. Registration and an API key is needed. To get your API key, click on the link that will bring you to our homepage. If you do not have a subscription yet, you should create one clicking on the Download Now button. If you have an account, you can log in and retrieve your API key, copy the key and insert it into your Activate Pro features page of your WordPress administration panel. After that, you need to set up your Amazon account. Click on Amazon links menu item. Will appear after you insert a valid API key. Enter your Amazon affiliate ID and select a category. Now you can see affiliate links pointing to Amazon starting to appear on the product references in your content. Thank you for watching my presentation and good luck with your affiliate links.